Hi friends, welcome all of you to my channel. Today discussion would be more about how we could estimate the capital expenditure, is the pujigat kharcha we say in Nepali language. And basically, as you know that friends, there is a need of investment in the tangible assets infrastructure, yeah, property, yeah, software license, yeah, even the equipment. Whether that is the manufacturing company, trading company, any company need the investment for the overall uh, delivery of the services, yeah, productions like that, friends. And today discussion would be more about how we could estimate the capital expenditure. Particularly, I will be taking the reference of Tata consultancy services. And before that, you need to understand here, friends, how we calculate, yeah, estimate the capital expenditure. This is simply, you can say, that change in property, plant and equipment. In our context, in context of Nepal, there is a Nepal accounting standard 06 is explain about the property, plant and equipment, and I believe that you could take the reference of that one. But anyway, today discussion would be how we could estimate the capital expenditure part, but for which I am taking the reference of Tata consultancy services here. And regarding capital expenditure, friends, this is simply change in property, plant and equipment plus non-cash expenses. Yeah, that's depreciation and amortization expenses. Now, what about the background of TCS company? This is all about established in 1968. Yeah, you can say that Indian MNC specialized in IT and consultancy services, and it pioneered in the IT industry back then, and globally the fastest growing the IT services brand today. And when you look at the its by the way stock price, then this is the 3447.35. This is just yours for your general information. Actually, our today discussion would be more about how we could estimate the capital expenditure for TCS for 2024. And actually, what I did here, based on the annual report of Tata consultancy services, I just organized the given information here. And here from the non-current assets, that is the fixed assets, you have to take the property, plant and equipment. Anyway, in annual report you will find the notes to the financial statement and detailed calculation of property, plant and equipment you will find in the audited report. But anyway, all given in the Indian currency, that's rupees, that's in crore. We have a 9,376 in 24, while in 23 that is the 10,230. Now, while non-cash expenses, that is a depreciation and amortization from the consolidated statement of the profit and loss, you'll find, yeah, you can say that income statement, you'll find it. And I just organize this information because the way we use the equation before that, you need to understand what is the change in property, plant and equipment, right? And this is the depreciation. We have to add depreciation and amortization expenses for the current year. So in this case, simply change in your property, plant and equipment is that like this year minus last year case. Okay. So this is the negative figure. You'll find it because as compared to 2023, in 24 this company has a low value. I mean talking about your balance sheet value here, property, plant and equipment. Now depreciation and amortization expenses, that is the 4,985 and this is 5,022. So that is why we can see here, friends, that is the capital expenditure here. As I explained earlier, capital expenditure is simply change in property, plant and equipment plus non-cash expenses. So what I do here, simply you can say that you already calculated here. This is change in property, plant and equipment plus current depreciation and amortization expenses. So we came to know that that is the 4,131 value. That is our, simply we say, is the capital expenditure. Yeah, that's the pujigat kharcha for 2024 for the TCS company, friends. And I believe that whatever I discussed today, friends, it would enrich your understanding level how we estimate the capital expenditure. And this is very important concept when you calculate your valuation, yeah, you try to understand the valuation of the company, then capital expenditure is the very important for all of you, whether you are a student of finance and accounting, friends. Okay, friends, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and also share my channel, that is the Finance Guru, Pawan Kumar. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care, all of you. Thank you.